Hi, welcome back. This was in response to the NU21 hieroglyph, which is the Upper Nile Gnome 21, Nart Pet, Shinakan or Semen Hor Luma, Croco-woca, and the capital is Fayum, where they worshipped a tame crocodile and dressed with like golden pendants, I think. I don't quite know how you tame a crocodile. Take it out for dinner a couple of times, I guess. So what we have here is like a lot of red and then this sort of bluey green colour which could relate to water. I thought at one point the middle bit looked a bit like a butterfly. It's got this bird in the centre. Is that a vulture representing Aleph, like A, Alpha? And also represents the sounds mute, mut, which can mean mother, or motherland maybe. I'm not sure what the difference if this turn to the right means. Often see them drawn facing left, whether it's just to symbolise looking at this person that's on the right. There's just a close-up on mother. There is a head on the left, looking towards the left with an M. Whether that's just to reinforce this idea of mum, I'm not sure. There's some squiggles below that in orange. And it doesn't say this, but it just sort of reminded me of like Twitter or Twitwoo. And then there's some more squiggles left, like a golden bird up there. So is that the Benny bird, I think? So that bird I mentioned earlier is looking right towards a person that's looking left with like a cloak behind them. Also got a person like below their chin in like a green, and then two people and below that, another two people behind that. Is that representing some members of the family of the Ennead some way? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that gold thing above Mum's head is. There's a rather large leg then, bottom right of the image, with the foot that comes around. And that's sort of underneath this sort of U-shaped curve, which reminds me kind of womb-like. I get the sense of some protection related to that foot and leg for some reason. Some snake hybrid creature that's pointing off towards the left, and a head in the bottom left quadrant. So that leg can also represent the gazelle, which has some role in mythology to do with death and rebirth, I believe. And also a brand of shoes. I'm sure there's more in there, but thanks for listening.